I'm Angela Graham from New Zealand, and I'm a massage therapist. I found out about the Dolphin units initially from Marjorie Brooke, who taught a scar tissue course in New Zealand, and there was only a small amount of us. And she introduced the Dolphin units and said they were magic, and that we should, if we were interested in scar tissue work, look to purchase some. So I had a look online and did a little bit of research and thought, wow, these things look pretty good. So I purchased some, I want to say over 10 years ago. Way prior to COVID, there were no online courses, so I just had to try and figure it out for myself, and only using it for scars, which are fairly straightforward because it's just one unit either side, plug the ends, do the point on the leg. So I felt fairly confident with that, and then after that I thought I need to learn some more. So then COVID came, an online course, learned a bit more, but I still felt like I needed to do some hands-on learning. So here I am, which is in a course a little bit above my ability to learn, but I've learned a lot still, and I'm really grateful to Dr. Bruce and grateful for the learnings. So today Dr. Bruce kindly had a look at my husband, who travelled over with me from New Zealand, and he has been diagnosed with early onset Parkinson's. Dr. Bruce took a good look at him. He did quite a few different treatment points, and he believes that perhaps it's not Parkinson's, so we're still trying to figure that out. But whatever he did was very, very helpful. Essentially, my husband gets like a dead arm, so it brought back some life into his arm. He had quite a stiff neck and shoulder area, so he treated that and came with some good results. I haven't yet spoken to him because I'm still in the class and he's gone back to the room, but he looked very happy, so I could tell that it really helped. And over the next period of time, I guess we'll see for how long, and yeah, I'm just really grateful to be here, very happy.